Hello, I hope you guys are all doing great. This is the nail art design we're going to be working on today. I'm going to be showing you step by step how I created my accent nail that you see here. We're going to be using dry flowers for that. Let's get started. The first thing I've done is I applied a white French manicure over all my nails. Followed by that, I went in with a crackle nail polish. The one I chose is an orange one. I'm using this one right here by Mia Secret, and it's simply called Orange. And I applied it over my white French manicure, and then I just applied the rhinestones outlining my French manicure. And that's what I did to all my nails, including my thumbs. The only accent nail I worked on is my ring finger. And what I did there is what I'm going to show you. I used the dry little flowers, and it's these right here. Let me zoom them in a little closer. And these are just natural dry flowers, and they're very fragile, so you do have to be very careful when you're working with them. But I'm going to show you exactly how I apply them. And we're going to be working on this nail you see here, or this design, and I'm going to be applying it to my ring finger. So I decided to keep my ring finger with a simple white French manicure. I'm going to go in with a clear nail polish. I'm going to apply the polish over the area where I'm going to want my flower. I'm going to get my orange wood stick, the point. I'm going to dip it in to make it sticky, and I'm going to pick up my flower, and I'm going to place it right where I want it, which is that area right there. I'm just going to very lightly push down on all the petals, as lightly and as carefully as I can, because like I said, these are very fragile. That one's sticking out a little, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to go under it. I probably didn't place enough polish there. Clear polish, and I'm just going to press it down. Once I very lightly pressed all of them down, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with my finger and just press it down, making sure that all the little petals are down. So that's what I've done so far. I decided to place 2 flowers on my ring finger, or you could just keep it 1 if you'd like, but I'm going to go a little bit lower, and I'm going to do the same exact thing I did on the top flower. I'm applying a little bit of a smaller flower over that area. So I'm just going to place it down. And like I said, these are so fragile and they move around. So you got to be very careful when you're working with them. Very, very careful. So there we have it. I'm going to press down with my finger very, very lightly. Let me fix it right there. So I'm just pressing down, trying not to get any of the clear polish. So that's what I have there so far. I decided to add a rhinestone in the center of my flowers, but this is totally optional. And then I'm going to be doing 1, 2, 3 on this side of the flower, and then 1, 2, 3 rhinestones on the other side of the flower. And I'm going to be using 1 mm size rhinestones. So I'm going to begin applying those. I'm going to place in the center of my flower clear polish. I'm going to dip it in, and I'm going to pick my flower, and I'm just going to place it there. I'm going to do the same thing to the bottom one. Place top coat over my flower, dip it in, and place a rhinestone in the center of my flower. And I'm just going to be applying the ones that go on the side. So for that, I'm also going to have to be applying the top coat. So what I'm going to do is on this side over here, I'm going to place 1, 2, 3 rhinestones, and then on this side, I'm going to place them over on that side. The last step is to apply your top coat. I'm being very gentle over the flowers, and I'm making sure to saturate all the rhinestones. And if you're interested in purchasing these dry flowers, try eBay. You can also find them in your local beauty supply store. That's the areas or the stores you'll find them. So that's it. This is it for today, and I really do hope you guys enjoyed this nail art design and try them out. They're really fun. Be safe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.